that LASIK has advanced leaps and bounds. It's not just LASIK. LASIK is the most commonly known term, but there's LASIK, there's SMILE, there's PRK. There are many technologies, all there to make you glass free.
क्योंकि आप भी बचपन में हमारी तरह चश्मा पहनते थे, तो आप हमें बताइए कि अभी आप चश्मा कैसे नहीं पहनते हो।
तो जैसे जादू हुआ, एक तो मेरे साथ भी जादू हुआ, और ऐसा जादू आपके साथ भी हो सकता है. दैट टेक्नोलॉजी इज कॉल्ड LASIK. Okay. So it's not fiction, it's real. It's science based, and that LASIK has advanced leaps and bounds. It's not just LASIK. LASIK is the most commonly known term, but there's LASIK, there's SMILE, there's PRK. There are many technologies, all there to make you glass free for life. So yes, I adopted one of the technologies that is called LASIK. I got that done, and I am happy eyes. I can see superbly well.
डॉक्टर
ये जादू मेरे साथ. But yes.
लेसिक आई सर्जरी क्या होती है डॉक्टर?
So okay. So as I told you, इसको समझाने के लिए I would require a pen or paper. Should I do that? Or see, if I had to draw your eye, ये दिखेगा आपको?
हाँ.
See, ये हो गया eye का structure. Now I'll tell you what I'm drawing. See, ये front part हो गया. Number one. ये ऐसे बैठे हैं हम. Okay. So this is the आगे का part. ये पीछे का part. Okay. So this is the front part. This is the second part inside the eye. This is called the lens, and this is the retina, the third part. So कोई भी लाइट जो होती है वो पैरेलल ट्रैवल करती है, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. Now हर एक आई के अंदर एक फोकसिंग पावर होता है. नंबर वन, ये फोकस करके इसको बेंड कराती है यहाँ तक. सेकेंड, इसमें पावर होता है लेंस को, ये इसको बेंड कराता है यहाँ तक. ओके. और थर्ड, इंटरनल फोकसिंग होती है, ये ले जाती है इसको ब्रेन तक. ओके. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस अगर आपको चश्मा है तो आपका 1 भी ठीक से काम कर रहा है, आपका 2 भी ठीक से काम कर रहा है, एंड 3 भी ठीक से काम कर रहा है. बट सिंपल केसेस में वन ऑफ द रीजंस एंड द मोस्ट कॉमन रीजन फॉर चश्मा इज माइनस पावर्स की बात करेंगे तो जो ये लेंथ ऑफ द आई बॉल होता है ना, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है. तो आपकी जो वायर है वो पीछे है. ओके. मिलीमीटर्स की बात, मतलब स्मॉल मीटर्स. ओके, मिलीमीटर्स. सो नाउ आपका फोकसिंग यहाँ पर हो रहा है, बट आपका पर्दा यहाँ पर है. सो हाउ विल यू सी? तो फोकस चला गया, तो बाहर आप एक चश्मा पहन लेते हो. 4 नंबर, दिस इज द फोर्थ एलिमेंट यू ऐड. 2, 3, 4, 5 and you shift the focus from here to here. That's it. This is why you have glasses in the first place. Most common spherical thing. Now if you tell me कि मुझे फोकस यहाँ से यहाँ परमानेंटली ले जाना है और मुझे इसको कट करना है, okay, so I'll have to either change the power of number 1, number 2 or number 3. Correct. Now as you can anticipate, number 3 is very inside. It's a surgery we'll have to require to go inside, so nobody does that. Number 2 is something which we do, but we reserve it for high powers. Number 1 is the cornea, which if I draw like this cornea, को थोड़ा सा if you just thin it by a few microns, that is basically known as LASIK. And when you change the power of this, you basically shift the focusing from here to here to the required eye, and that's about it. It's obviously a painless, or almost touchless in some cases, procedure in which there's no blood. Obviously, your cornea is just reshaped. You know, the shape is changed, the thickness is changed, and the power is changed to meet your needs, and that's about it. So as you see, we've not done anything much. We've basically just modulated your requirement as per as to make you glass free. जो डेफिशिट है -3 का या प्लस का, अदर वे अराउंड ऑल्सो, प्लस में आंख थोड़ी छोटी होती है. Why this happens? Because when your height is growing, your eyeball also has to grow. So it's just a little mismatch between the growth of your eyeballs and your height. With some people it's proportional, so they don't get a number. When proportionately चले जाता है वो, तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Those are the people who get glasses, and typically जिनको glasses लगते हैं वो growing age में लगते हैं और नंबर बढ़ते रहते हैं. And typically पेरेंट्स को टेंशन आता है कि हमारे बच्चे का नंबर बढ़ रहा है, और वो 21 में स्टॉप क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि 21 में हाइट भी रुक जाती है. So you attain your height and then you are done. So your eyeball also is more or less now stable. And hence, if we have to do a procedure also for you, we tell the patients to wait till 21 so that the growth part is over, so that we don't correct it and you get another number. You get a number after you probably grow taller. Suppose if you do it at 17, 21 में और height बढ़ गई तो then it defeats the purpose. The concept is your eye is becoming थोड़ा more than required. That's about the spherical power. That is one of the components. But yeah, it's that simple.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.